Okay, the next day, just exhaust. Haven't started the car. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna do a remote start to see what the cold start looks like. Alright, headphone users, you've been warned. Okay, we're gonna drive around and see if there's a difference in sound with this new exhaust tip that was installed. It's a double-walled 4.5-inch stainless steel slant cut exhaust tip, just like the Carven does. So upon startup, it looks like it made a difference in sound, but I haven't tested it being driven around. So we're gonna drive around and see if it does make a difference in sound on regular driving. Sport mode. Well, the crackles and pops are still there. That's a good thing. Paddle shift it here. It's loud, yes, but the quality of loudness is what I'm looking for. I don't know if I can discern. I mean,
I think it sounds like a good loudness in C-Link or Mission. I don't know how to describe it.
I think it has a better quality of loudness now than before. Before it was loud, but there's some sort, a tiny bit of raspiness to it. exhaust is definitely different. It seems like it took away some of the sharpness of the sound from the stock exhaust to this one. It feels a lot more smoother, almost like the Borla exhaust in the Jeep before. I think it's because when the exhaust exits that resonator, it has now a double wall exhaust tip to resonate even more, so it makes it a quality exhaust sound. Let's go park somewhere and do some revs and continue this video.